Hi everyone! Let's talk about how I embrace my role as a mom over 50. Alam nyo, it's different now. Hindi na tayo yung super hands-on tulad ng dati, but that doesn't mean we're any less involved. In fact, it's about adjusting to a new role. Ngayon, I focus more on being a guide and a friend to my kids. They're adults now, and instead of always giving advice, I try to listen more. Minsan, they just need someone to understand, hindi yung laging nagsasermon, di ba? And embracing the stage means taking time for myself too. Hindi na ako yung super mom na laging nandyan, and that's okay. It's time to enjoy my own passions and focus on self-care. So if you're like me, a mom in her 50s, embrace this chapter. Be proud of all the hard work you've done and enjoy the new kind of connection.